Hello friends, is your car running rough, losing power, or misfiring? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0270, it means there's a low voltage issue in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 4. This can lead to fuel starvation, poor acceleration, and engine misfires. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0270 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0270 is a fuel injector circuit low code for cylinder 4. This means the injector is not getting enough voltage, causing less fuel to be delivered into the cylinder. This can result in a lean fuel mixture, engine hesitation, and power loss. Common symptoms of P0270: check engine. Light on, engine misfires, especially in cylinder 4, poor acceleration and reduced power, rough idling and stalling, increased fuel consumption, and excessive engine vibrations. If you ignore this problem, it can lead to overheating, spark plug damage, and even catalytic converter failure. To diagnose and fix P0270, you need to check these key components. Cylinder 4 fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure. Fuel injector wiring harness runs between the ECU and fuel injectors. A damaged wire can cause low voltage. Engine control unit or ECU, usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It regulates injector voltage. Battery and alternator located in the engine bay. A weak battery or alternator can affect injector performance. A fault in any of these components can reduce voltage in the injector circuit, triggering P0270. Common causes of P0270 include faulty or clogged fuel injector. A clogged injector can limit fuel delivery. Broken or corroded wiring. A damaged wire can cause low voltage to the injector. Weak battery or alternator low electrical power supply affects injector operation. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor sends incorrect signals, leading to poor fuel delivery. ECU malfunction. If the ECU fails to regulate voltage properly, it can cause injector issues. So, how do you fix P0270? Here are the steps. Step 1. Inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 4. Clean or replace if necessary. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor with an obd2 scanner. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for loose, broken, or corroded wires. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage supply. Step 5. Scan and reset the ECU software if needed. Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0270 can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and long-term engine damage if ignored. Fixing it early will save you from expensive repairs. Want to learn more about fuel injector issues? Check out these next videos. P0217, engine overheating condition. P0218, transmission over temperature condition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.